Being a startup is an exciting time. You have a great business concept and can't wait to get it out there and start making money. But before you get too ahead of yourself, it's essential to make sure you avoid some common mistakes that can cause severe problems down the road. Taking the time to do things right from the beginning will save you a lot of headaches later on. Hello everyone, welcome to the Finance Wisdom channel. This video will talk about 10 common business mistakes to avoid, beginner's guide. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. This is essential information for beginners who want to avoid these costly errors. So whether you're just starting or you've been in business for a while, watch this video so you can learn from others people's mistakes. Number 10. Ignoring technology. Technology is an essential part of doing business in the modern world, and yet many companies still make the mistake of ignoring it. There are some reasons why this might be the case, but whatever the reason, it is always a mistake. Technology can help businesses save time and money, improve communication and productivity, and keep track of essential data. Ignoring it can put companies at a competitive disadvantage, and in some cases, it can even lead to legal problems. That's why businesses must ensure that they keep up with the latest technological developments. Failing to do so could cost them dearly in the long run. Number 9. Lack of focus. Lack of focus is a common mistake among businesses, large and small. When you try to be everything to everyone, you spread too thin and do a mid when you try to be everything to everyone, you spread too thin and do a mediocre job at best. It's essential to focus your attention on your niche market and become the best at what you do. By being laser focused, you'll be able to put all your energy into perfecting your craft and becoming an expert in your field. Your customers will appreciate your dedication to excellence, and you'll be rewarded with their loyalty and referrals. So, if you want your business to thrive, avoid the mistake of trying to be all things to all people. Instead, focus on becoming the best in your field. Number 8. Charging too little or too much. Charging too little or too much are two of the most common business mistakes. They can both harm your business, so avoiding them is crucial. Charging too little can make it challenging to cover your costs and make a profit. It can also send the wrong message to customers, who may think your products or services are not worth the price you're asking for. On the other hand, charging too much can price you out of the market and make it difficult to attract customers. Finding a balance that allows you to cover your costs and generate a reasonable profit is essential. There are several other common business mistakes that you should avoid, such as failing to research the market properly, not having a clear business plan, and not keeping track of your finances. You'll be well on your way to success by avoiding these mistakes. Number 7. Not asking for help. We've all been there before. We try to take on too much, bite off more than we can chew, and end up in over our heads. When starting a business, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that you must do everything yourself. However, this is simply not the case. One of the most common mistakes businesses make is not asking for help when needed. Many resources are available to businesses, including consultants, mentors, and online resources. By not asking for help, companies miss out on valuable insights and advice that could help them succeed. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help. It could be the best thing you ever do for your business. Number six, ignoring customers and feedback. Ignoring customers and feedback is a huge mistake many businesses make. It can be a cardinal sin for business owners to ignore customers' feedback or think they are above it all. This is not only erodes the business's customer base but also damages the company's reputation in the long run. Furthermore, this behavior indicates to potential customers that the business is not interested in their satisfaction, which will discourage them from doing business with the company in the future. By contrast, businesses that take their customers' feedback seriously and use it to improve their products or services gain a competitive edge and show that they care about their customers' experience. As a result, these businesses are more likely to retain their existing customer base and attract new customers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Number 5. Poor marketing and branding strategies. Marketing is critical for any business. It is the process of creating demand for your products or services through advertising, public relations, pricing, product development, and distribution. A well executed marketing campaign will reach your target audience and generate interest in your company. Branding is also essential for businesses. It is the process of creating a recognizable identity for your company that will differentiate you from your competition. A strong brand will build customer loyalty and increase sales. Many businesses make the mistakes of investing too little in marketing and branding or not utilizing these tools effectively. As a result, they cannot reach their full potential and may eventually fail. To avoid this, businesses should allocate adequate resources to marketing and branding and create a targeted and results driven strategies. Number 4. Underestimating the competition. Whether you're just starting in business or have been in the game for a while, it's essential always to be aware of the competition. Underestimating the competition is a mistake that can have serious consequences. It can lead to complacency, making your business vulnerable to being overtaken by more agile competitors. It can also cause you to miss opportunities to learn from your competitors and improve your offerings. To avoid these pitfalls, assess the competitive landscape and adjust your strategies accordingly regularly. By keeping a close eye on the competition, you'll be able to stay one step ahead and position your business for long term success. Number 3, neglecting financial planning. Many business owners fail to plan for their business's financial future, which can be a costly mistake. Without a clear understanding of where your money is going, making sound decisions about investments and growth will be difficult. Additionally, neglecting to plan for the future can leave your business vulnerable to unforeseen circumstances, such as an economic downturn. To avoid this mistake, set aside time each month to review your finances and create a realistic budget for your business. This will help you make intelligent decisions about where to allocate your resources and ensure that your business is on track for long term success. Number 2, not having a business plan. One of the most common business mistakes is not having a business plan. Without a dream, it can be challenging to set goals, track progress, and make informed decisions about the future. A business plan doesn't have to be complicated or lengthy. It can be as simple as a few pages that outline your company's mission, market analysis, and financial projections. However, it can be challenging to know where your business is going or how to get there without a plan. As you develop your business plan, keep in mind your company's strengths and weaknesses and the opportunities and threats you face. By understanding these factors, You can develop strategies for overcoming challenges and capitalizing on opportunities. Not having a business plan is a common mistake that businesses make. Avoid it by taking the time to develop a plan for your business. Number one, failing to do your research. Every business makes mistakes, but some are more costly than others. One mistake that can be particularly damaging is failing to do your research. This can lead to poor decision making, wasted time and resources, and missed opportunities. To avoid this, it is essential to take the time to research your industry, your target market, and your competition. This will give you the information you need to make informed decisions and maximize your chances of success. Additionally, it is vital to keep up with industry news and trends so that you can identify new opportunities and adapt to changes in the marketplace. Doing your research can avoid costly mistakes and set your business up for success. As you can see, there are several things to avoid when starting and running your own business. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can save yourself time, money, and aggravation down the road. What business mistakes have you made in the past? What did you learn from it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.